Yeah, we have to cut this one. We have to cut shorter and move the engine backward. It's a bit long for the trike. This is a body or frame from a bike. From there, going there. And then this one, going there. Cut. Alright, from that one, and this is a new frame. I think it's a bit long, so we have to cut some more down. And weld again. Readjust the handles. And then try the gearbox. Reverse gearbox. Alright, there's an update for our trike. Homemade trike. That's it. We just borrow the engine for mock-ups. Later we will buy a new one. This one is just for mock-ups. So we can build the frame. And then this one. I'm also waiting for a shaft, drive shaft. I have ordered some drive shaft for this one. A-arms. I'm gonna make it by myself. So A-arm. A-arm for this one. Only the drive shaft. And the reverse gearbox. We have to modify so it can adapt over here. Can adapt there. Alright, that's it for today. Thank you guys. Thanks for watching. Bye.